In this video, I would like to show you how you can use FiveLoop on an Android tablet. So if you have not downloaded and installed FiveLoop on your Android tablet, just go in the Play Store and search for FiveLoop, and you'll find the application FiveLoop, and you can download and install it. Once you have installed it, start the application and you see the start screen, and it basically works more or less like a browser. So on top you have your URL from the website you'd like to visit, and on the bottom you have your additional control elements for the videos. And on top of that you have the FiveLoop icon you can use to drag and drop or drag to pull it out to see the metronome, or to hide it entirely. So just tap on the URL text field and we're gonna delete that and go to this website. And I'm going to show you how the control elements work. Basically on the left side you have rewind 5 seconds, then next to it you have play pause, then forward 5 seconds, fast forward 5 seconds. Then you can adjust the speed in 5% steps. And then you have the loop button. And the loop button pretty much works like a loop pedal. So you press it once to start the loop point. So you play the video, and at the point where you'd like to start the loop, you press it once. Then if you press it a second time, it sets the end point of the loop, and the video keeps repeating between those 2 points. And if you press it a third time, the loop is getting cleared. And on the very right, you have the full screen button to enter the full screen. So I'm going to demonstrate it for you. Let's play this video.
So the lesson I want you to focus on today is how do you establish a groove. And today is you start getting chord combination together, get that groove established. You leave practice on something like the way it's used to key of B flat.
I didn't set it perfectly right, but you can adjust that. And now it keeps repeating, and I can adjust the speed. Clear the loop again.